Hi guys, so for this week's design I'm starting to do a French tip. Now I am choosing to do this freehand, but you can of course use a stencil. So because I'm doing it freehand, I'm going to start out with a striper just to mark the rough outline and then fill it in with a standard polish. Next we're going to do some detail over the French tip using black and silver. We're going to start off with the black. In between all the black lines, we're going to do silver lines. The final detail is I'm going to add a rhinestone into the centre point of the French.